operations, we need to make sure we follow our 4 rules. So we're going to write our checklist out to the side, GEMS. So we can see we do have a group right here. So out to the side, we want to make sure we line up those decimals. So 8.3, and we're subtracting 8.0. We've got to line those decimals up to subtract. So we're left with 0.3. Now these are connected right here by multiplication. So we're going to times that by 4 and add 9. So now we don't have groups, all done. We don't have any exponents, so we are on multiply and divide, and we have a multiply 4 times 0.3. So 4 times 3, 4, 8, 12. But we have a decimal spot, so it's 1.2. And we're adding on 9. So our final step, we need to make sure we line up our decimals. So go ahead and add those and get your final answer. Our next one, again, we're going to write our checklist. We don't have any groups, but we do have exponents. So out to the side, that means 3 times 3. 3 times 3 is 9. So we're going to add 8, divide from 64, minus 5 times 9. So we're done with exponents. We're on multiply and divide, first one first. So the first one we see is 9 times 5 is 45. We're going to minus 64, divide 8, add 9. So we're still on level M, so I can see divide here. So 64 divided by 8 is 8. So we're going to bring down the minus 45, add 9. So we're done with level M, so we're subtracting and adding first thing first. The first one we see is 45 minus 8. So you're going to do 45 minus 8. You're going to bring that down. So you're going to put your answer. You're going to add 9. And then you're going to add that to 9 to get your final answer. So you got to do the first one first. Okay, our next one, we have Q equals 6. So right here, this is a 6. So we have 6 of this group. So let's get our list here. So we do have a group we need to do right here. So out to the side, 8.5, we've got to line up our decimals, minus 8.0. So 0.5 left. Now these right here are stuck together with multiplication. So we've got to multiply that by 6 and then add 27. So exponents are done. We don't have any. So we're on multiply and divide, which we do have a multiply. So 6 times 5. Oh, I put my decimal in the wrong spot right here. It is 0.5. So make sure you have the same thing written down if you were following along. So 6 times 5 is 30, but we have a decimal spot, so it's really just 3. So we can just really put 3. And we're going to add 27, so go ahead and finish that problem there. Okay, our next one, B, is 7. So right here we have 7, right, times that group. So let's get our list here. So we do have a group. 8 minus 6 is 2. And now it's cubed. You got to write that little 3, that exponent. It's not 72. It's 7 times 2. We're going to add the 9 minus 200. So we have to do that group and then the exponent because the exponent's on the outside. So we are done with our group. We do have an exponent, 2 to the third. We're going to write that out. That is 2 repeated 3 times the answer is not 6. 2 times 2 is 4. Times 2 is 8. We're going to times that by 7. Add 9. Take away from 200. So we are done with E. So we're looking to multiply and divide. So we have subtract, add, times. So right here, we need to do 7 times 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. 56 is 7 times 8. We're going to add the 9. Take away from 200. So M is done. So we're on subtract and add. First one first. So here we have 200 minus 9. And then you're going to add that to 56 and go ahead and finish up that problem.